Okay, this is a video showing you how to draw a triangle using a ruler and a pair of compasses. It's a classic GCSE, usually non-calculator paper question. I've written a star saying don't erase the compass arcs. You're going to use a ruler and a pencil to create this triangle, and you're going to use a pair of compasses to help you. And the arc markings are a key part of your answer, and without them you won't get the full marks. So please leave them in and you will get a better chance of getting full marks. They can give you three lengths, and I've made up an example, 5 centimetres, 6 centimetres and 8 centimetres. And quite often you will be given one of the sides and it will be a sort of horizontal line, and usually it's the longest side. So I'm going to measure a line 8 centimetres. I'm going to put it about here. I'm using a felt pen just so it's clear for the video, but you must use a pencil. And the reason for using a pencil is it can be rubbed out if it goes wrong. Okay, I'm going to label that. That point's A, that point is B, and I'm going to label the 8 centimetres. Again, the exam board might give you some of this information. Okay, so I'm going to get my pair of compasses and put the felt pen in, so I'll just get that sorted. Now the second thing is we need to draw the other lines. So we're going to draw a 5 centimetre line first. So I've got my ruler here and I'm going to measure a line 5 centimetres. So I'm just going to stretch my compasses out so it's accurate. They're pretty strong on accuracy, so make sure it's actually 5 and not a little bit more or a little bit less. You're allowed, I think, probably a millimetre or two either way, but try and be accurate. Okay, so I've stretched my pair of compasses 5 centimetres. I'm now going to put the point of the compasses on point A of my horizontal line, and I'm going to draw an arc. Now, if you've got cheap and cheerful pairs of compasses, this can look a bit dodgy, so just be careful. I tend to hold the middle of the pair of compasses and hopefully that doesn't move. My current pair are quite a nice pair, so they're not going to move anyway. So I'm going to draw an arc, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep going, because actually this is not just an arc but it's part of a circle. And sorry, it's just so low power, so I don't know what's going to happen to the video. Is it still going? Yes. So there we go. So I've just drawn a circle, centre A, 5 centimetres in radius, and that's just to show you that this is actually a whole circle. It's part of a circle that we're drawing. You don't have to draw the whole circle. You might just want to draw an arc of about that length between those 2 points. Second thing to do is to draw the other line. So we're going to measure the pair of compasses to 6 centimetres. Let's try and make this work accurately. There we go. And again, point B as the compass point on it. And again, I'm going to hold in the middle and draw. Actually, I'm going to just keep drawing the circle because there we go. I think that's gone a bit wonky, but that's fine. Okay, so there we are. So point A and point B happen to be centres of circles, and you can see that they have overlapped. Oh, actually, I'm just going to mark that that's a typical amount to do for the arc if you don't want to do the whole circle. Right, I'm just going to mark those bits with red as well. So I'm just going to go over that bit with red. Again, you won't do this in the exam, you'll just use your pencil. Okay, so that's all that's actually needed. I've just been a bit enthusiastic. Right, next thing to do is to label the point of intersection. So the two circles meet here, so I'm going to call that point C, and then I'm going to join up A to C. So that goes like that to there. Okay. And then I'm going to join B to C, and that's going to go a bit like that. Then I will label them. That one's going to be 5 centimetres, that one's going to be 6 centimetres, and there is my diagram completed. This is the first of a couple of 2 or 3 videos on different types of triangles. So this is the one where 3 lengths are given, and the next one will include what happens if you get given an angle. Thank you.